Good morning everyone. Today we are going to study chapter 3rd, Computer Network and its applications. In this chapter we are going to study about the communication network, data transmission, international network, information retrieval, information dissemination, remote data entry station, and then we will study about the local area network, wide area network and metropolitan area network, and then we will study about the protocols involving in this all communication network. In your junior classes you have already studied about the LAN, WAN and MAN. LAN is local area network, which is used for a small building or a small area just like 2 or 3 kilometer. WAN is a wide area network. For example, we are using www for any website or a web page. Okay, so www is a world wide web which is include in wide area network, which is a part of wide area network. And then we will study about the metropolitan area network. Metropolitan means when you are talking about a city or area covered by 200 and 300 kilometer, when you are accessing data of these city or the area of 200 and 300 kilometer, then we can say it is a metropolitan area network. You can also connect a telephone line by using metropolitan area network. Okay, next we will study about the protocols. So computer of data communication refer to protocols involved in transmission of digitized data between two or more online processing location and is an integral part of the modern information and retrieval system in terms of their online access. जो डेटा कम्युनिकेशन है इट इज़ रेफर टू अ प्रोटोकॉल. जब भी आप डेटा ट्रांसफ़र करते हैं तो वो एक प्रोटोकॉल को फॉलो करता है इन ट्रांसमिशन ऑफ डिजिटाइज डेटा. यू आर नॉट सेंडिंग एनालॉगस डेटा, यू आर सेंडिंग अ डिजिटाइज डेटा बिकॉज वी नो दैट कंप्यूटर यूजेस ओनली 0 and 1 digits. So when you are sending your data, that will be transferred in only 0 and 1 between two or more online processing location. And in term of online access, when you are talking about online access, you are sending your data in 0 and 1 only. Okay, the modern information system, unlike their precursor which worked in an offline mode, operate in an online interactive mode wherein a user can interact with a host from a remote terminal using a communication link. I told you about LAN, WAN and MAN. So in LAN, when a person is sitting in a building or number of computers are accessing in a building, so we can say they are using a telephone line system, okay, which is operated in an online interactive mode. Communication networks are broadly classified into 6 categories based on geographical location of its computers and terminals. जो कंप्यूटर नेटवर्क है वी डिवाइड इट इनटू 6 कैटेगरीज. 3 categories I already told you, like LAN, WAN and MAN, and the other 3 is next is remote data entry station. Remote data means when you are talking about a station which is operated by another station, so it is known as remote data entry station. Okay, next is distributed data processing and gateways. So these are the 6 categories in which on the basis of geographical location we divide communication network. Okay, the 6 categories I am again repeating: local area network, wide area network, metropolitan area network and remote data entry station. Next is distributed data processing network, that is DDPN, and next is gateway. Further, computer communication network are grouped into 3 categories. Further, we can divide computer network into 3 categories, that is public switched data network, which is known as PSTN, public switched telephone network, which is known as PSTN, and integrated service data network, that is ISDN. So we will describe all these categories with example in relation with the India in our next class. Okay.